Don't use the cutting machine at the supermarket. Do it yourself. Top, bottom off, make a flat edge, put your knife at an angle, slice down the edge and curve in. In half, flat surface, in half again. Now you have the core on the angle, take the core out and then slice each pineapple piece and there you have handy snack sized pieces of pineapple. If you cut up too much and think that you're going to have too much left, pop some in the freezer. I've got another video on maybe what you might like to make with it. If you want to know more handy tips like this on how to easily cut things, let me know in the comments box below.